Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another night with another review. Uh, this is a neck hammock and a little bit background story. I have a bunch of back problems. I got 8 or 9 broken discs, 3 of them in my neck. So I got a lot of pain issues with my back and my neck especially. I have tried 20 different pillows, and as soon as I lay down, I get pain in my neck. So I visit my chiropractor almost once a week. Yeah, once a week. And lately, I've been getting really worse. Last time he couldn't even adjust my neck. So he recommended me to get a neck hammock. And I've seen them. I know that it is a brand name neck hammock. So I decided to order one, but I couldn't find the brand name neck hammock. But anyway, all of them looks the same. Uh, some of them were black on the inside, but I chose this one because it looked to be more padded than the other ones. But I have already tried this one, and the padding is really hard, so it was very uncomfortable to my ears. The part in the neck, that's the part that does the whole thing, that pushes your head back. That was fine, but the ear parts, those are way too hard, and I have sensitive and hard ears. Another thing is that the rope is way too short. You are supposed to hang it around your door handle. I don't know if we have our door handles higher here in Sweden than in other countries. I don't think so. I really don't think so. But when I had it around the door handle, I was laying with my head like about this from the ground. So, and even if I was close to the door, so the laying position wasn't natural at all. I would like to be laying really low, and yeah, even if I pull my body forward so I get the straightening or pulling of the neck, I still want to be laying down as I would be laying on a pillow. So I'm gonna take a shoulder strap from a bag, from a duffel bag, a wide shoulder strap, and try with that one and just hang it in my I have a chin bar at home that should hold it because it can hold all my body weight. So I'm gonna try it again, but so far hard padding, and since my neck is so broken, I started, it was painful in the beginning, but I'm so used to pain, so I think that pain is good for the body. It means that something is happening. What I want is the muscle relief. What I want out of this is muscle relief and maybe some less pain in my neck. I really don't think so, but to yeah, let the muscles relax. I'm very stiff even on the neck because of all this pain in my hernia or broken discs. So let's try it again, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But for the money here in Sweden, this one were on sale. I think I paid $30, and it came home like 12 hours later. So I'm super happy with that. The full price of these are usually $60 to $70. I don't know what the brand name neck hammock cost, but from the worst to the best, I just think is the matter of how soft the padding is. I would like some kind of temper memory foam instead, but for trying out, this is fine. We had another one that my friend said that I was not supposed to buy, that had chain instead of this rubber band, and he said a chain breaks instantly, so don't buy that one. But as usual, don't buy the 2 or 3 cheapest options. skip those and then take number 4 or something if you just want to try. But I would like to try the brand name neck hammock, but I couldn't find it. And I don't know what this is called, patch. Feels super cheap and so this is something. This is a copy of the neck hammock. But let me show you how it works. So this is what I did. I took a shoulder strap from a bag, and I really hope that it would last because I don't want to fall on my head. So let's try it. So what you do is quite easy. This pillow part is supposed to be under your head in the neck. I'm not smooth at all. Yeah, this feels okay. So I'm hanging in the air, pushing the body forward, because what you want is the angle that pulls the head backwards. So I should be even more forward, so I have even more angle, but I'm just going to try how it feels in my neck, like this. And it is quite comfortable. It's just that it's a bit hard on the ears, but I can feel my back cramping up instantly, just as it does when I'm at the chiropractor. So that's the problem. My muscles in the back cramps. As soon as something happens with my neck, they cramp a lot because of the hernias. So this is something that I should do often and for a while, so the body gets used to it. But I'm actually a bit afraid that this is going to break. I'm thinking I'm going to take a wider shoulder strap, because I don't want to get that in my head when I'm laying here. So that makes me tense as well. So this is the neck hammock. This is, yeah. If you have neck problems, it's not a lot of money to just try it out. Maybe this works for you. And of course, don't overdo it, because the, I don't know what it's called, expansion of the neck could of course damage you. And if you have broken disc like I do, that pushes on the ischias nerve, you can release, get the disc out of its place, and then when you remove this, you're gonna drop the neck again and get a new damage. So use it with care. So that's it so far. When you have used it, don't do any sudden moves like I did. Yeah, I'm in a lot of pain right now. But for 30 bucks, if you have neck tension, neck problems, just tension, try it out. It's no big deal. But don't overdo it. And if you have real problems like I do, don't do any sudden moves after you have been extracted or released. Because as I said, I hope you heard me, after the extraction, everything is very sensitive. So when it goes back together, no, I'm over exaggerating, you used to understand, it can't damage you in a new way. So it's sort of comfortable, but in my case, I get cramps in my back. Sorry, I can't even speak anymore. I'm in a lot of pain now. Try it out. I'm happy with the purchase. I don't regret it. I hope I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna take another shoulder strap that feels a bit more safe. Not with the brass harnesses. Thanks for watching. If you ask me if you have any questions. Good night.